Guys, it's Miss Ellen from Hopes, and I'm here with
Jaden.
And we're going to read another story today. This one is called I Didn't Do It. You might have said this line before. You might have heard this line before. But let's see where it's going.
Might have used this line before.
Seriously. Poppy didn't always tell the truth at home. I didn't do it, said Poppy. But look at this. What's on the floor?
A broken plate.
And how does she look?
Guilty.
Pretty guilty. So.
Oh, there's something behind her hand.
And she's.
Sometimes Poppy didn't tell the truth at school either. On Monday, she broke a window during morning recess.
That's like free play.
I didn't do it, said Poppy. She said that Joe broke the window.
OMG. So it's saying she's lying, so she did do it, not Joe. Wow. Miss Plum was mad at Joe. She said he had to stay inside for the rest of recess. That's like free playtime. Joe was mad that Poppy didn't tell the truth. Right? So he didn't like, one, that she lied, and two, that he got in trouble for it. No, I wouldn't like that either.
Yeah. Then Poppy spilled water all over Ava's painting. Ava was upset. Poppy said that Lucy had done it. Lucy was mad that Poppy didn't tell the truth.
Oh, man. So, again.
Not telling the truth and, saying that someone else did it when you did it. When she did it.
And it seems like these might be accidents, but holy moly. Let's see. Later on, Lucy forgot to turn off the faucet in the bathroom. So, this is a different person. Water splashed all over the floor. You know what Lucy did? Lucy said Poppy had done it. Miss Plum said Poppy was very careless. So Poppy was the one who was lying all along, and she lied about Lucy. So now Lucy,
she's kind of getting her revenge.
Yeah, that's getting somebody back.
Poppy was mad that Lucy didn't tell the truth. Now you know how we feel when you tell a fib, said Lucy. Everyone was mad at Poppy for not telling the truth. At lunchtime, nobody wanted to play with her. Poppy felt sad.
So it seems like she blamed all the kids in the class for something or other that they didn't do.
And then
they did not like it. And they didn't want to hang out with her. I don't blame them, do you? Poppy felt bad for not telling the truth. She went to see Miss Plum. She told her what she had done. Miss Plum said, everyone does something wrong sometimes. She said it was always better to tell the truth. Oh my gosh, I totally agree. Right? We all make mistakes. I make mistakes all the time.
Yeah, it's okay.
And it's better to apologize, right? Be sincere.
Miss Plum said that Poppy could make things better. Poppy nodded. She felt sorry for lying and making her friends angry. Poppy told everyone, I'm sorry.
And when you're wrong, it's good to say, I'm sorry for something that you did wrong. But you know what's even better?
To say why you were wrong.
And now, this is where we're going. Then Poppy helped Mr. Brown mend, that means fix, the broken window. Mr. Brown was pleased. So he liked that she was helping him, right? So when you make a mistake, you fix it, right? You try to fix it. She helped Eva paint a new picture. Miss Plum put it on the wall. Eva was pleased. So it seems like Eva, maybe she's not so mad at Poppy anymore because she helped her fix what she messed up with the painting.
Yeah. Then Poppy and Lucy promised Miss Plum to help clean the bathroom for a week.
A whole week? That's a lot of time. Wow.
But they're doing it together.
And yes, right? Things are so much easier when we work together, right?
Yeah.
So many ways. Thank you. Soon it was afternoon recess. Again, that's like free play. Everyone went outside to play. And this time, everyone wanted to play with Poppy. Now, look at their faces here. What do they look like now?
They're all very happy.
And how do you know they're happy?
Because they have big smiles.
They are smiling. They're playing together. It looks like they're sharing stuff, right? People were frowning before, maybe even crying. All right. So, what, do you want to walk everybody through this one?
Sure.
Okay.
So we have another of the boxes. So in box number 1, it looks like 2 girls are playing with the ball, and then this one knocks over a plant vase.
Like a flower pot?
Flower pot.
Same
and
thing.
then number 2, it kind of looks like. So we know that this girl did it, and in number 2, it looks like they're fighting with each other, just saying like, "You did it, no, you did it." So they both think they're both saying that each other did it.
And how does that mom look?
She looks like she said, "I need to blame someone for this. Someone's gonna get in trouble."
And her cheeks are all red, so it looks like she's really mad, the adult.
Yeah. So then apparently the younger sibling gets in trouble, and then the other one's playing without her. But in reality, she did it, and she's getting blamed for it. Just like in the story with Poppy and her classmates.
You know, and it even looks like that little one is like, I'm not going to play with you, you meanie. Right?
Yeah. So then in number 4,
What does it say there?
it says that she told the mom that she kicked over the pot, and she's listening. So then in number 5, she's cleaning it up, fixing her mistakes, like Poppy did, while the other one is playing.
So everybody looks what now?
Happy.
So everybody looks happy. So I agree. So this is kind of showing us again that instead of blaming somebody else for something that happened,
We can fix it.
own it. That just means like say, oops, if it was an accident, oops, I did that. Or if it wasn't an accident, you say why you did it. And then in either case, you
Fix it.
work to fix it for sure. So that's the end of that. But I think, I think you nailed what the story was about because that's what I was going to ask next. Now, I don't know, have you guys ever been accused of something that you didn't do? Have you?
Yes.
And how did you feel when you were accused?
I felt so mad at the person who lied, and it's like I can't prove it. So
And how did that?
sometimes it's hard.
And was there an
Sometimes
adult involved?
they got an adult did get
And how did you feel? And how did you get treated?
Well, at first I was really mad because then I had to do work and I had punishments. So, but then after the other person came clean, they got the punishments, but like we were happy because the other person ended up telling the truth. So it was like I felt good.
You felt relieved and
Yeah,
better?
both of us did.
How did you feel about that other person who lied?
At first, or like initially
Both.
or after?
At first?
At first, I was so mad I couldn't stand them. I just didn't want to be next to them.
And then after
then
that person admitted it?
I was proud of them.
Okay, so you didn't hold a grudge. That means you didn't stay mad. Okay, yeah. And
I was still a little upset though that they did.
but like, we talk about all feelings are okay, right? But you forgave that person, right?
Yeah.
You might be a little bit more careful or kind of look out. But you're a good person. That's a good thing, right? And you know me, I make mistakes all the time, right? It's really important to say I didn't do it. I got blamed for a lot. I've been blamed for stuff that I haven't done, and that does not feel good. And sometimes other people believe you when you speak up, and sometimes they don't, right? And sometimes you get in trouble for stuff you didn't do, and that just doesn't feel right. It's not right. But it's okay to make mistakes and apologize and fix it. And like you said, work together to fix it. That works just as fast, and that helps us bond together again and fix things between people and not just fixing stuff.
Yeah.
Fixes both, right?
Mhm.
So don't be afraid to apologize when you're wrong and speak up and say it, right? Because we need to express ourselves. Okay? So let's take care of each other, all right? Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.